Yeah, exactly. And then when they turn it, it probably is a fact that out of the world there's only like 5 people that actually control the money of the world, isn't it?
I think so. I doubt it's an organisation, but I think there's some truth in the fact that basically business runs the world.
Yeah, definitely
government suggests.
If you think about, and now there's a new one now, isn't it? Got the Haven campaign, which is it's saying that the media and the papers are something for hate, so companies are not going to advertise with like funds. Their ads out there. So that's interesting.
Andy wrote a letter to the managing director of the co-op about the fact that he saw a co-op and you're really incensed by it. He wrote a letter saying, I can't believe you're putting your advert next to that racist Bible kind of thing. What are you saying about your company advertising? So he wrote the letter to the CEO, he posted it on Facebook. Showing everyone what he can't do.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, they are. I mean,
oh, you got problems with us? Yeah, we'll give us a voucher.
Would you, have you got quite tea?
Yeah, I'll grab a tea.
I'll get the castle.
Never turned down a tea.
good. You could call.
Oh, that's right. Do you know what she'd probably say? She's William and swimming. And we'll support something. Got it at home. And as last week,
Did you buy it online?
no, we got it, but it's in like a TK Maxx.
Okay.
So it's in Portsmouth. It's like they generally only they have something there and then they won't have it again. Yeah, that's not so bad.
You should be a Chichester too.
Yeah, well, hopefully. But yeah.
There you are. So that's got all the stuff on it. So, actually it's 25. Yeah, and then, so what, you turn up, it's just in the middle of